so festive. Okay. Yay! Hi friends and happy holidays. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be trying 3 Pinterest baking recipes. Yeah. I tried a Thanksgiving cupcake for Thanksgiving and it was seriously harder than it looked like it was going to be on Pinterest. So I figured it'd be a really fun idea to do 3 Pinterest recipes for Christmas and let you guys know the actual difficulty of the recipes. So first things first is the 3 that I'm doing. I am making brownie Christmas trees, yum, melted snowman cupcakes, yum, and reindeer Oreo balls, which I'm kind of most excited for that because, like, who doesn't love Oreo balls? So yeah, in front of me I have all of the ingredients, so I'm just going to really quickly read off the ingredients from my list and let you guys know what you need for each recipe. So again, recipe 1 is the brownie Christmas tree. All you need is brownie mix. Oh, side note, this is the other side of the balance that I like to live by. So not only do I try to have really healthy recipes and like work out and etc., but I also like to enjoy myself and indulge. So I think the holidays is a really good time to be with family and enjoy the food that you're surrounded with. So yeah, just like a little side note tangent. Yeah. Anyway, brownie cake mix, or like brownie mix. You need green frosting for, like, you know, the Christmas tree. Sprinkles for your ornaments. And little mini candy canes for the trunk of the tree. And I'll insert a picture of what they're supposed to look like here. Next is the melted snowman cupcakes. For these, you're just going to need white cake mix, regular sized marshmallows for the snowman body, either black or brown frosting for like the little stick arms and the little buttons in the eyes and the smile, and then white frosting. For the reindeer Oreo balls, you're going to need cream cheese, Oreos, duh, mini pretzels for the antlers, eyes for the eyes, little red like sprinkles for the nose, for like the Rudolph ones, you know, and then baking chocolate to cover the Oreo balls. Yeah, so I'm really excited for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm really excited for the videos that I have to come, so make sure you're subscribed so you're always notified when I make a new video, which is every Saturday. Except for right now, I'm kind of doing these fun Vlogmas videos. But yeah, so I'm just gonna stop talking. Let's get into the video. fun part, decorating at least I think. So I have them all cut out into little triangles. They look like this, like little Christmas trees. And I have my green icing that I'm going to zigzag across. I feel like maybe I should stick in the nah. Boom. One. These ones weren't as difficult as I thought they were going to be. The only thing that was hard is I needed to be patient and wait for the brownies to actually cool so I could cut them and have like clean cuts. And then I made sure to like cut the ends off of both sides, so like when I made the triangles I didn't have one weird one with like a straight edge, if that makes sense. This is what they turned out like. The sprinkles didn't really stick, and the candy cane you had to cut like in half, or not cut but just like break in half. So yeah, and like the end pieces like of the brownie, that was like really hard to get the like the peppermint in, or the candy cane in, but for the most part it wasn't that bad. I would give this one an 8 out of 10. Feeling that these reindeer balls are not going to be easy. I'm just like wondering how the heck I'm gonna get in the like pretzel antlers. And the chocolate's still kind of wet, but you don't want the chocolate to be really hard because then like obviously you're not gonna be able to get it in at all. Okay. Take these pretzels.
Is that your AK?
And I just break them and get what looks like this.
Actually, I'll come towards you. I'm coming towards you.
I think my sticky, slimy ball. And then it kind of looks like a monster. Oh my gosh. That's after one.
Awesome.
Okay, yeah, the antlers were way harder than I thought they were going to be. The hardest part was really just like breaking them and them being like good enough pieces where you can actually stick in the balls. I think a tip for you guys if you're gonna make this recipe is make your reindeer balls medium to large, so you have a lot of space to like put your antlers in. And then also when you're breaking the pretzels, either like cut them with a knife or just like really take your time breaking them. I mean, they turned out cute, but I probably won't be making them again. They were honestly pretty difficult and really, really messy. So I would say I give them a 4 out of 10, just because the Oreo and the cream cheese, squishing that together was just really sticky, and then dunking that into the chocolate fully was just a mess, and then having that somewhat free slash like really keeping an eye on it is like hit or miss. And then once you reach the pretzel stage, it's like you need to make sure you are taking the time and breaking those perfectly to get like the cute little antlers. And then from there, like as you're working and getting them into the balls and adding the eyes and whatnot, the chocolate starts to melt, and then it kind of like gets all over your hands. So they turned out cute, but probably won't be making them again. This is how my cute little melted snowman turned out. These ones are my favorite. I actually had a really good time with these. I love making cupcakes. I just think they're like for the most part pretty easy, and people love cupcakes. So yeah, I would say for these ones, like, they were not hard at all. I mean, the only thing that was, I guess, difficult was the like the actual decorating, which was more just tedious. It wasn't necessarily difficult, but just kind of, you know, took a little bit of time. But yeah, I seriously love them. They're so, so cute, and I would honestly like rate these ones a 9 out of 10. So, yay! I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Honestly, the brownies and the snowman were my favorite, but I feel like their reindeer came out the cutest. But yeah, my little buddy literally stared at me and watched me bake these recipes for 3 hours. Now he's being goofy. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Aww. Anyway, that's all for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'd be happy to make more videos. Happy holidays!